Welcome back. Wanted to do a quick follow-up video to my emergency mini survival pouch. This is due to the fact that I needed the previous shown Sawyer filter on my bike at all times. Luckily I already had an even more compact replacement in the form of this live straw from Hydro Blue. This in return has let me add some other key items and hence warranted another video update. So from the top, everything fits in this Maxpedition mini pouch. Now this is the item that let me further improve this build, the 3-stage emergency water filter called the Sidekick. Then obviously everything got a reshuffle, so I will go briefly through them and just mention the new additions. This is my XXXL fire rod, a bomb-proof lighter from Maratak. The second new addition is this combo mini kit from Exotac called the Rip Spool. Basically a fancy way to store some duct tape, thread and a large sewing needle. Here I have a few meters of a multi-strand paracord, a liquidless compass from Mekarmi. Another new item is a survival blanket as per your suggestions, which now fits perfectly. My TS22 flashlight, which also acts as a power bank, and the Leatherman signal, my wildcard multi-tool as far as portability goes. Finally I routed in the tag a standard USB Type-C cable for quick access. The mini medical pouch I just doubled up on plasters and some alcohol wipes. Also a survivor mirror resides there to keep everything straight. This mini kit alongside my canteen build, which I will link it for you as well, are my solo day hike equipment. Both are independent of each other, that gives me some redundancy and peace of mind. Also these two kits have superseded my large ultimate survival pouch for the time being, since I realized I needed more mobility. As always, I'm open to suggestions and ideas. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.